Hello guys, I'm Vijay Kumar. This video is going to see about how to draw UML diagram for the application e-hostel management system. First of all, we're going to see about description of the UML diagram. Use case diagram identify the functionality provided by the system as use case. The user who interact with the system is called as actors, and the association between the user and functionality. The use case are used in the analysis phase of software development to articulate the high level requirements of the system. The primary goals of the use case diagram include providing a high level view of high level view of what the system does, identifying the user as actor of the system, determining areas needing human computer interface. The basic component of use case diagram are the actor and the use case and the association. And next we're going to see about actor. An actor, as mentioned, is a user of the system and is depicted using a stick figure. The role of the user is written beneath the icon. The actor are not limited to user. If the system communicates with another application and the expert input or delivers output, then that application can also be considered as an actor. Next, we're going to see about use case. Use case is functionality provided by the system, typically described as web plus object. Example: register car, delete user. Use case are depicted with an ellipse. The name of the use case is written with an ellipse. Next, we're going to see about association. Association are used to link actors with the use case and indicate that an actor participates in the use case in the form, say some form. A line connecting with the actor in use case district association. Next, we're going to see about include. Use case include is a direct relationship between the two use case, which is used to show the behavior of the included use case. It's inserted into the behavior of the including use case. Next, we're going to see about extend. Extend is a direct relationship that specify how and when the behavior defined in usefully supplementary extending use case can be inserted into the behavior defined in the extended use case. Next, we're going to see about a scenario of the application. The application is e-hostel management system. The existing hostel management is manual system. Manual system is prone to error. It is time consuming and difficult to search for hostel. Most of the hostel management are not allowing or not having any existing full computerized system. To avoid this kind of problem, hostel management system is introduced. This project is useful for any kind of hostel management to manage the manage hostel details, to pay the hostel fee from customers, process the hostel facility details, and all kind of hostel management through online. Customer can apply and view their hostel details. The main objective of the application is to automate all the possible functionality of hostel and provide the online hostel service to the customer. Using the system agents and customer can know can know details about the present details and terms and conditions, etc. The system is convenient and flexible to the user. It saves the time, effort, and money and resource. User friendliness is provided in the application with the various control provided by the system rich user interface. And next, we're going to see about the uh, use case diagram of the application. In this ESL management system, use case are there are four actors: super admin and system user, authorities, and hostel owner. These are actors. And next, we're using a ellipse use case as ellipse, and we mentioned the name inside the ellipse. And next, we're using a association to connect the actor and use case. After that, we're going to see about functionalities of the use case used. Manage user and full application. Allows admin to manage user and full application through online. Manage hostel. Allows admin and user to manage hostel. Manage beds. allows admin to manage the hostel beds. Login and log out from system, allows admin user allotee hostel owner to log in and log out by the application through online. Update my profile, allows admin user allotee hostel owner to update the profile by the application through online. Change account password, allows admin user in allotee hostel owner to change their account password by the application through online. Book hostel, allows allottees to book the hostel by application through online. Search hostel, allows allottee to search the hostel by the application through online. View facilities, allow allottee to view facilities of the hostel by the application through online. Manage rooms, allows a user to manage rooms by the application through online. Next we're going to say about manage hostel facilities. Allows a user to manage hostel facilities with application through online. And next we're going to see manage hostel allottees, and allows user to manage allottees by the application through online. And next add allottees, and allows a hostel owner to add allottees with application through online. And collecting payment, allows hostel owner to collect payment by the application through online. And next we're going to see search allottees, allows hostel owner to search the allottees by the application through online. That's all guys. These are the use case diagram, UML diagram of the for the application of ES2 management system. Thank you.